What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video on the channel. What XRP just made a move that is absolutely historic that I think could be an implicator that we may see some strong growth from it over the next coming weeks or maybe even the next coming months. And of course, I thought you all should see it. So let's not waste any more time at all and let's get straight into today's video. So looking at XRP, you all know that over the last few, realistically coming up on a year now, we have been tracking this massive move to the downside. In the newsletter, in the private groups, I've told you all, listen, nothing is going to happen until we break above this trend line and we hold and confirm above the trend line. There's nothing that we could possibly do. And what you can see is that XRP has finally confirmed this breakout over the last few weeks and has cleared that extremely strong level of rejection sitting at 50 cents. Now, of course, we've not got the daily close above 50 cents yet, so we might not be in the clear yet. But the fact that we are starting to open that door above 50 cents is a massively bullish sign to say that, hey, XRP's tides are shifting and it may be time for it to see some growth. You guys know that over the last few weeks, we have been seeing a lot of bullish implicators from our chart prime oscillator, in which we've gotten multiple oversold signals every single time that we touch the bottom side of this triangle, as well as multiple reversal signals, as well as bullish divergence. As all of these bullish signals and indicators start to flash, it says that, look, we're building up a foundation right here. This is holding extremely well. A breakout is probably going to happen. And that's exactly what happened. You guys, sometimes we will see that these moves to the upside immediately crash because there wasn't a strong foundation built before the move to the upside. But you can clearly see here with all of these oversold readings, all of these moves to the downsides and resets, that this is a foundation that has been established over the last few months and very easily can hold the price up to see some type of moves back towards the upside. Now, because of this, of course, many of you are going to ask, well, that's bullish, right? Should we go long? Should we start buying? Well, in my opinion, I do believe that now is a better time to be buying than whenever we were down here, but we still are not out of the woods just yet. What you can see here is that as XRP has started to bottom out, that it has put in what I would like to call a double bottom around 30 cents. You can see, of course, if I just draw it out simply like that, that we have put in a W shape, or what many consider to be a double bottom, and we don't break out of this double bottom until we clear 56 cents. Once we get above 56 cents, we would then have a breakout target, of course, from 56 all the way down to the bottom, applied to the top right here, sitting right around $1.08 to the upside, which could be some type of swing move to the upside of anywhere, above 100%. And so what this means to me is that we're not going to get full confirmation that a strong move is going to occur until we break 56 cents to the upside, and that still could be a struggle from this point forward. Now, the reason that I believe that that could be a struggle from this point forward is that our daily chart prime oscillator is already starting to give us some of these overbought signals as well as some of our bearish reversal signals. You can see that overbought signal printing there. We got the red reversal signal here, the red volume dot here. All of these things usually imply that, listen, some type of cool down may be on the way. Look back here. The moment we started to put in these highs right here, boom, and all of these same indicators started to flash, we got this cool down. And so for me, while we are approaching 56 cents, it seems more and more likely that we're going to see some rejection or that we're going to struggle to get above it. And once we're finally capable of breaking it, that's when I'm truly going to be much more confident that the future is going to be significantly more green for XRP. Who knows? Maybe we get all the way up to 56, 57 cents, and while we're hovering here, we get some bad SEC news that pulls the price to the downside, and the people who are buying here get liquidated or start to lose on their tradings. We don't want to see that. Look for the clearing of 56 cents. Look for it to hold first. And once we're capable of building some support and building a foundation above that level, and we can see these daily chart prime oscillators reset, then we're in a much better position to really see some growth, and that is when I would do the majority of my buying. So if you do want to stay up to date and you want to make sure that you are aware of every single time that these oscillators and indicators do print, make sure you do use the link in the description. Of course, you can get 30% off on all of the chart prime oscillators and indicators. They are the best in the game. They have gotten me ahead of this market multiple times already, and I will continue to let you guys know about them as it does play out, because they are incredibly useful for understanding when we're likely going to see cool downs, likely going to see pullbacks, and likely to see pumps, as we can see historically. And so with that said, guys, I'm looking for the clearing of 56 cents. That is the big key for me to see this thing move back up towards $1, and that will happen, of course, in due time. So I will continue to update you about it as it does play out. But with that said, of course, that is about it for today's video. Of course, I hope you guys do appreciate these quick updates that keep you in the loop and updated on everything related to crypto. And if you do, all I ask is that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one. But with that said, that's about it. I'll see you all next time. Peace.